and welcome.
Hello!
Hello.
My name is Kiyoshi.
Yeah.
I'm from IKEA.
I'm Taro, and I was born in Sweden. Today we're going to make a beetroot salad with hot smoked salmon. This is a hot smoked salmon,
Okay.
which means that it has been smoked and cooked at the same time. So let's start with the salmon.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to open the package and take out the salmon. Yeah, you turn it,
Mm-hmm.
you flip it over,
Okay.
you peel the skin off,
Wow.
just like this. It's very easy, comes off very easy. And then we're going to slice the salmon. And I like big chunky pieces of salmon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so should we start with the salad?
Yeah.
We have some beetroots.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Old egg. Put everything in.
Chives.
Parsley. Capers.
Mm-hmm.
And last but not least,
Mm-hmm.
potato.
Potato.
And just we're going to mix this.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to decorate the plate.
Okay.
We're going to start with this Chinese vegetable, pak choy, international.
Not mixed with the eggs and so on. Just a big chunk and plates.
Yes. I'm going to make a dressing. I have this horseradish sauce. And I have some water.
Water.
Yeah. More salt. We have also some baby leaves.
Baby leaf.
And I have some carrot
Carrot.
and daikon pickles. I have a very nice and very tasty salmon salad. We're going to make two more dishes with hot smoked salmon.
Mm-hmm.
One with a horseradish sauce,
Mhm.
one with apple. Okay, so let's begin.
Yes.
So first of all, I would like to begin with the apple sauce.
A chunk of apples.
Chunk of apples and some red onion
Red onion.
and chives
Chives.
and some sour cream.
Okay.
Finally, some lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Yeah.
Little bit salt.
A little bit of salt. We have some baby leaves.
Baby leaves.
We have some romaine lettuce and some very nice asparagus.
Asparagus.
And I have some
Carrots.
nice carrots.
Okay.
You have to be careful so you don't break the salmon because it's very delicate.
Okay.
We have already boiled potatoes.
Ooh.
Oh.
And the other one, you put the apple sauce, which we just made before.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have the horseradish sauce. And the one with the apple sauce. Here we have some apple chips. Okay.
Hope everyone likes hot salmon.
Yeah.